Hello and welcome back to Lifestyle and Us. I am Madhuparna and Shubho Bijoya to everyone. For those who don't know what it is, basically yesterday just Durga Puja ended and then we say Shubho Bijoya to everyone. So yeah, Shubho Bijoya. Today I'm going to do a haul from everstylishjewelries.com. And before I start the haul, I'm gonna give a disclaimer. I'm gonna look here because I have my laptop open over here and I'm gonna read out the names and the price from here. This haul or this whole video is not sponsored by everstylish.com. I have bought these things on my own. Before I start with the haul, please guys subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon right over here so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Now without any further delay, let's get into the haul. So before I start showing you guys the product, I would first like to talk about the delivery and everything. So my experience with Everstylish was very weird, weird one. So the first thing that happened is once you they have a COD option, and once you order it, they just give you a message that you have ordered, your order is confirmed. The thing that I did not like was I was not getting any any estimated delivery date or something, and Durga Puja was around the corner. I guess I ordered them, I'll just see. I ordered them on 14th of October and Durga Puja started from around, I guess, 21st or 22nd, and I got so impatient because I was like, kab aayega, kab aayega, kab aayega, and I was not getting any updates or anything, okay? And when I wanted to track the order, it was only showing that you will be able to track the order once it's shipped. I was like, okay, koi baat nahi hai, theek hai, ho jayega. And then I got impatient, okay? So then there was the number. I called at the number and I waited for a while. It was not a long ass time that I have to wait, like 5 minutes or something. I waited and then there was this lady who picked up. I told her my order number, I told her my mobile number, and then she told me the day I placed my order, and then she also told me that their estimated delivery date is within 7 to 21 days. So you get it like 7 to 21 days, and I was like, I don't have that much of time. So then I requested her if she could please make it deliver before 22nd at least, and she said that she's gonna try. And I swear to God, Shashti, that is the first day of the Durga Puja, I got my package and I was so happy. Okay, so now starting with the haul. So this is the box in which I got the whole jewelry, and the packaging was really good. I saw that they also made sure इसके ऊपर से एक अलग से box था and they gave it पूरा एकदम a foam or something जाते अंदर का चीज़ बिल्कुल भी ना टूटे. So first off, I'm gonna start and I'm gonna again read the price and everything. So let's open the box. So okay, yeah, this is one of my favorites. So first off, I have this delightful dark set of 4 stud earrings. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it just a minute. So first things I'm gonna say, the quality, my god, and they costed these 4, they were for 186 bucks. I mean, how cheap is that? And the quality is so good, guys, I swear to God. So this is what it looks like, okay? And these are not all 4 stars. Like you see, we have danglers over here, and then these are the casual chotu sa star and usse bada and usse bada. I have also wore them in my I have also paired them with my Durga Puja ka look and everything. I will be giving the pictures here, or you can go to my Instagram profile and follow me over there if you want to just get new look ideas and everything. I've started this doing this recently, so you can go and check it out over there also. So yeah, this is what we got, and it was 186 bucks, and the quality is so good. Also, one more thing, I don't know किसका ये problem होता है या नहीं होता है. So my sister, she has this earring वाला problem ना कि दीदी के कान में the मोटा this what do you call this, I don't know, this back part I'm seeing, this thing that goes inside the ear hole, if that is thick, it does not go. Now I am going to say that these stud earrings, these are medium thick. So if you are someone जिसका like ये जो कान का छेद है, this one is small, then I think that you know वो थोड़ा घिसवा लेना पड़ेगा और you need to like change the पीछे का part. But the quality of these rings are like good. 4 rings for 186 bucks, pretty cheap. Next up I have a neck piece. The name of this thing is Lavish Leaf Silverette neck piece, and it looks like this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna open this one. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure. Okay, this is what it looks like. The chain, okay, in the picture I really thought the chain will be very like thin and something. तो पतला चेन का क्या होता है ना, it's not very durable. थोड़ा सा भी अगर it like gets like this and then पूरा चीज़ एकदम just निकल आता है. I have faced a problem, similar problem. मेरा बर्थडे का एक गिफ्ट था. The chain was so like thin, just a bit like this, and the chain broke. तो उसका प्रॉब्लम होता है. बट सरप्राइजिंगली अगेन द क्वालिटी इज सो गुड, एंड दिस वाज फॉर 78 rupees. Like this thing with this chain was for 78 rupees, and this is, you know, a very go-to neck piece. You can like pair up with a dress or with like, you know, deep neck top if you're wearing. It's a very good investment, I think. Okay, so next up I have these meshed sun, the oxidized boho earrings. Now I guess they recently launched this boho earring and boho jewelry thing. So this is what it looks like, and this retailed for 74 rupees. Like so cheap, 74 rupees, and these are like statement earrings. You can pair them up with your kurtis, you can pair them up with your saris, and if you're going for a boho girl look, you can pair them up. 74 rupees, and this thing is just so, again, I thought that this would be really heavy. Surprisingly it's not. Like it's not at all heavy. It looks so pretty. You see that it has a good sun kind of a thing, and it looks so pretty. And I wear a lot of kurtis and everything. I have like whole another level of obsession over oxidized jewelries. So yeah, this is for 74 and I loved it. Okay, so next up is this Dainty Heart of Desire anklet. Okay, so I bought 2 of these. It looks like this. Wait, I'll open it for you again. I bought 2 of these because one was for my Didi. I really wanted to gift her something. So it is so like, wait, I'll just show you. It's very dainty, very cute, very good. Like this is what it looks like. And this is like golden in color. Now in the picture I thought that this will be rose gold in color, but they gave it to me in golden. So yeah, so this is so pretty, I swear to God. Like it's a very dainty and a very pretty anklet you want. And honestly, I'll share my views with this. So when I saw this now, I didn't feel like wearing it like an anklet. So I thought कि I'll go to the market. I went before and I'll ask them कि इसका chain पीछे से बढ़ा दे so that I can make it a neck piece. Just a thought that I had. But then, and this costed 92 rupees. 92 rupees. Wow. So cute, so dainty. It has this heart, and then they have like 2 chain, and the quality is again very good quality. Okay, so next up is something that you can already see me wearing, but again I bought 2 of these because one was for my sister and one was for me. So the name of it's an earring. The name is Golden Rhinestone Drop Stud Earrings, and if you like, this is what it looks like. Wait, I have this one also. I'm gonna show that can get a very close look at it. You see, these are what it looks like. Now these are exactly golden in color. So I'm also wearing them. Like, these are the size of the earrings. Now again, the back pin is a bit thick, so those of you who have trouble in getting मोटा पिन अंदर कान में घुसाने के लिए, then you have to get it, I guess, thin, like they use something, they just change the pin or something. Now in the picture I thought these will be in rose gold color, but I did not even read the name of it. I saw that, I was like, I need to buy it, and seeing the picture, but then I realized that they were golden in color, and I was very skeptical because I don't really wear golden jewelries. I don't like them much, but these somehow turned out to be like, wow. I also wore these in, like, I wore these Navami mein, and I'm gonna again put a picture over here. Okay, so that was the look for my Navami. It completely, and this was the same top I was wearing. The look was a bit different, but like it just rocked the whole look. Very like chic, very dainty, very like, what do I say, very pretty. And this retailed for 96 bucks. Wow, 96 bucks. I mean, their pricing is really good. Okay, next up I have these double jhumki fanning peacock danglers. Again, oxidized boho earrings. I don't feel that they're that much oxidized, like एकदम हल्का सा tint है, and these retail for 98 bucks. So I was really intrigued with the design and everything. So again, this is what it looks like. So these are the jhumkas I'm talking. Now the point is, I did not expect, seeing the picture I thought कि नीचे वाला part थोड़ा और ज़्यादा oxidized होगा, but because they are very like silvery, the chain are very silvery, but from the picture I thought that they will be a bit more oxidized and everything. They're not, but कोई बात नहीं है. These are still very pretty, I swear to God. And you know, I love danglers. I have like a huge earring collection, and most of them are danglers. Let me know if you want to see them. Again, if you are wearing a kurti or a boho look, this can easily go with it. I feel that if you have the right jewelry, you can nail any outfit. I mean, like any outfit, a good statement jewelry, and you're good to go. Okay, so next up is the little classy button tiny trinket earring, which retailed for 49 bucks. Wait, I need to again open it so that I can show you. Oh, I tore the packet. So this is what it looks like. You know, they are like ekdam silver color mein hai, and they have a small, like, not diamond exactly, they have a small diamond kind of, I guess this is American diamond, I guess, kind of a stone over here. Now these are basic classic ekdam stud earrings jo hote hain. These can go out with your tops if you are going to office. Ekdam like classy tiny trinket, like the name actually says it all. 49 bucks, like 49 bucks. And again, the quality is so good, you guys. Like, in this haul, all the products, I have to say, the quality is really like, it's really good. So if you're someone who are looking for good studs, to pair up with your office wear, or just you are going out and chilling with your friends, and like, you can just give this one a try. It's silver in color. It's has a beautiful stone in between, and it's very small, not very small, it's like medium small, and it's very pretty. Okay, next up is this elegant mesh stud ruby red, the embellished oxidized collection, which retailed for 98 rupees. I don't have the studs right now because I already gifted it to my sister. I'm linking the picture over here. It looks exactly like this, and it has a bit of golden texture, and the quality is again really good. And the size of the studs are looking like very big or something. Trust me, these are not heavy at all. My sister wore it, and again, the pin is again a bit thick. So Bindi, because she had to apply a bit of cream to just glide in to the this earring wala part, and you know the whole size of this earring is like this. It gives you a good statement kind of a look. So if you are wearing a sari, or if you are again wearing something ethnic, or even if you are wearing a dress, red colored wine dress, it can be a statement earring as well. Okay, so next up is this slaying them with style pretty golden neck piece. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and I paired it up with this dress, and again I'm wearing it right now. This is I'm just gonna open it for you guys. Wait. This is a very dainty piece of neck piece. I swear to God, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. It's just so pretty. It has a bit of it. It's completely not. I won't say it's completely golden. It has a bit of like, you know, rose tinge or something. And this retailed for 75 bucks. You insert it like this, and you're good to go. You see. And the point is, if you're someone who wears like these deep neck tops or anything like that, even square neck tops or something, I feel this is just the right thing you need. I mean, I swear I was searching for something like this neck piece for a long time, and as I saw it in Everstylish, I was like, I need to buy it. Okay, so last but not the least is this Statement Lotus Choker Oxidized Boho collection again. Now about this is what the packaging is again. So before I show you guys, I have to complain one thing about this. जब मेरे को ये package मिला, the choker was broken. Yeah, it was broken from between. एकदम like beach का pack. Like wait, I'll just show you how it looks like. The quality is good, but it was broken. This is what it looks like. I will insert a picture over here. I wore this on Ashtami. So the main part with this is like quality ठीक है, सब ठीक है. The point is they gave it to me broken, and I did not have the time कि मैं उसको return करवा के नया वाला ले आऊँ, because this was specially for my Ashtami look, क्योंकि these were supposed to be my statement, you know. These are supposed to be my statement kind of neck piece जो होता है, and I always wanted these oxidized. बिल्कुल ठीक है, everything is good. So these were broken from here. Like this part, this gold thingy was not even there that connects the two. Like luckily I just had an extra, because I have so many jewelries, and I ना keep these part of, अगर कोई टूट भी जाता है तो suppose extra अगर कोई gold सा part हो या something, I just keep them कि कब काम आ जाए. This was the reason I kept them. I just fixed it because, you know, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था. It took a bit. Now, the point is, if I am paying, like this was for 248 rupees. Dude, I am paying 248 rupees. Everstylish.com. Why don't you check it twice that what you are giving like to your customers? I don't get it, dude. I just don't get it. But overall the quality is good, and this was one of the most costliest like item in the whole haul. This was like 248 rupees, but the quality is good. But guys, please, if you are having any if you are planning to buy from Everstylish, I would recommend you try to buy it 1 month before, so that if you get something broken or something, you can easily exchange or replace it. सब ठीक है, लेकिन टूटा हुआ क्यों देना है यार? Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also comment your views on the whole Everstylish haul you liked, if you liked it or not, or if you want me to do more hauls like this, comment it down below, let me know. And thirdly, please share it with your friends and family, because why not help us to grow, and also let them know about this amazing site and all the, you know, pros and cons of these new jewelry site called Everstylish.com. And lastly, please subscribe to Lifestyle and Us, because why not? It's free. Subscribe to Lifestyle and Us and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Till then, stay healthy, stay positive.